Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can move application from internal storage to SD card on Android phone. So guys, first of all, let's just open settings application on our Android phone. Then we're going to scroll our screen until we find the app setting. This is the app setting, then we can tap on the setting. Okay, after that we can select the application that we want to move to SD card, and keep in mind guys that not all application can be moved to SD card, so you have to check it first before you move it. And as far as I know, one of the application that can be moved to SD card is Instagram, so we're going to move Instagram for example. So we can tap on the Instagram application, then we can click on the storage option, this one. Tap on the storage option, then you're going to change the location of this application. You can click on change right here. Then since we want to move this application to SD card, we can tap on SD card. Okay, then after that we can click on move, and after that you have to wait until the process has completed. Alright guys, and that's how we can move application to SD card on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.